Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm glad you made it. Today I am doing something quick and easy. I have this mirrored glass. I am going to color them. One with this kind of aqua blue green color. I believe these are both Doc Martin inks. So I'm going to squirt that in there, mix that up, and then I'm going to put that aside and let it dry. I will then go ahead and grab my dark blue and mix that into the cup with the mirror pieces and get that all stirred in, mixed well, coated well. I'll put that aside on the paper towel to dry. I also will use my heat gun to help it dry a little bit quicker. I think these colors are going to work well together for what I'm doing, and I will show you that in just a second. Move those aside, get my dark blue spread out on this paper towel, and I will be back. All right, I have this mirror. My husband etches mirrors, and he did this little dolphin, and he didn't like the way it came out. He was going to just throw it away. I said, nope, let me have it. I can do something with it. So I'm going to try to save the dolphin. I have my Bond Crafter UV resin. I'm going to put a little bit in this cup. I am going to grab my crushed crystal, and I am going to put a little bit of that into the cup as well. As I knock the mirror over, maybe I can't save it after all. I'm just going to break it on my own. What my thought is to take these little mirrored pieces that I had colored and put them in the waves so it looks like the dolphin is jumping out of the ocean. I thought that would look cute. I'm just going to follow the lines that are etched on there for the waves in the ocean with the UV resin. Spread it out. I think I'm going to do him completely submerged in water. At first I was thinking, let's just do the wave. But, I think probably just the entire bottom part would be better. Use my finger to get in there and spread that out a little bit more. And now I'm just going to pour these glass pieces on there. By the way, if you're interested in mirror etching, check my husband's channel out. It's MNT Frosted FX. He's just getting started. He has just a few videos up there, but those mirrors are beautiful. Go check them out. I'm going to follow that wave line at the top. Try to get it bunched in as much as possible. I am going for a full coverage in the ocean area, so I want to get as much packed in there as possible. I will put it under my UV light and cure it up. I want to get that wave shape in there, and if I have any spaces, which I can see that I do, I'm going to come back and just fill in the little spots with individual pieces of glass. I want to get that to the edge, get those corners covered. I'm just going to cure it up and then come back in and fill pieces where I need them. I'm going to come back in and drizzle a little bit of UV resin over a few of these pieces that don't look like they are stuck down too well. They might just pop off at any time. Didn't have complete contact with the mirror, I don't think. So I'm going to cure that up, and then I'm going to check and see how it looks. I do need to put in a few little pieces here and there. So we are going right over top of it. I'm sorry, my face is in the mirror. I need to get down in there and look. And this was the only way I could do it. So I'm just going to pop in little pieces of glass here and there where I can still see mirror underneath that glass. There really isn't too many places, but I do want to make sure that it's completely covered. Well, I think it looks pretty good so far. Get that in there. I am trying to put different color pieces in to a bigger group of green. I'm putting a darker blue. Try to break it up a little bit. Popped it under my UV light, and I think it is good. I am putting the tiniest little flat back rhinestone on the dolphin because he needs an eye. And it is emerald green that I'm using. Wasn't sure what color I wanted to use, but I thought the green would look good. So I'm just going to do that, pop that into place, and that is going to be it. I am calling this dolphin done, and I think I saved it from the trash. Let me see if I can get a good angle to show you this. I don't want to blind you with lights, and I don't want to take up the mirror with my head. Look at how cute it is. Yeah, that's a little bit better. All right, I think that came out good. Here's a few pictures for you. Thanks for watching.